Hello and welcome back to Jay's Bricks Mix. Today I'm going to show you how I made 5 unreleased or rare LEGO Ninjago characters. You can follow along if you want to as a tutorial. Let's get right into it. We're going to start by building Akita, then we're going to do Kitaru, followed by the Sorceress, then we'll do Mr. Alfonso, Frohoki, and Frack. First up, we're going to start with one of Lloyd's girlfriends. We started with some plain white legs. You could always replace the legs pieces themselves for red and leave the hips white. I got the torso for this minifigure off of a kid in the LEGO Ninjago City markets because it's like standard Ninjago, but it also matches Akita's colors as seen in the show. This cape I made out of paper, and I made it the way it should have been made. I can kind of see why they went for 4, honestly. 4 looks a bit better than 3. Then for the head, we have a few options, but first I'm going to get the hair from this May minifigure from Monkey Kid. Returning to the heads, we have a few options for customs. We could use Sora, this extra D&D head I have right here, or this one from a small battle pack set in LEGO Movie 2. For the demonstration in the video, I decided to do Sora, because the glowing eyes could represent her in the middle of like the forming change, and the other side could be her determined look, I guess. I really thought the Sora face was always weird. Funny thing is, the type of hair that the Sora head has on the Akita minifigure doesn't change. And there we have it, a cheap Akita minifigure from my collection beats paying $135 to $235 on a used or like an authentic Akita. I decided to go with this head because I only have one Sora, believe it or not. Up next we have Kitaru the bear. It starts out with Fabuland Guy. We take Fabuland Guy's bear hat accessory and replace it with a reindeer one so he still looks like he's from Fabuland. We don't need to tell anyone about this. And then we take this head with a cheerful face and expression like he's holding his breath, watching guards as he accidentally knocks some snow off the roof. Oh, wait. That has happened before. You know what I'm referencing. Obviously, we stick that in there. And then for the rose, we actually have a few options. Sig Greedling is what I did here. Replace the hands. But you can also do Mace Windu or any other sort of brown sort of rogue character that you have. And voila, a perfect Kitaru. Now, that does beg the question, can he transform? Okay, so up next we're going to build Gandalaria. There you have it, I've done. I built Gandalaria. Nah, just kidding, this is just Gandalaria's backup personality. Anyway, I got this amazing red hair on Firestar from the LEGO Daily Bugle set, an X-Men. No clue who she is. I was never much into the X-Men, I was more into the Avengers, honestly. And Spider-Man's pretty cool. And I also have this head, which came in a LEGO City train set. This head is double-sided, and it only has one side that will work specifically for Gandalaria. This torso and legs I got from Beckett from the solo movie LEGO sets. I just replaced the hands so they could match, you know, Gandalaria, because she doesn't wear gloves. Not to my knowledge, unless she does that when she's making potions. There is another head we could use. Let me just go get that real quick. It is the mech shop owner from the LEGO Ninjago City workshop set that I speed built recently on my YouTube channel. I have never actually tested this head out before. I got too many figures with the same expression, so I kind of had to take one off of them, otherwise they would be looking twinsies because I kind of have them working at the same place. Anyway, I gotta say this design works really well. I was worried I would need the green of her lenses to balance it out. But I gotta say, this works fantastically. Now, I do have some bad news. I lost Hattie. I do have a design, so I'll sort of explain that in this next clip. Okay, so I actually found Hattie. I thought I lost Hattie. What I did is I took the LEGO Harry Potter sorting hat, stuck two 1x1 studs in the bottom. I figured I'd put 15 studs down there because that's a deal and a half. And then I stuck a leaf on the bottom of that because Genlari's hat has some leaves sticking out the back. You could attach this using Play-Doh, putty, or whatever you have. Or you could just give it to the backup personality. I guess that works too. Did you know that because of a specific piece I use on the Mr. Froakie minifigure in this next clip, it makes me think of a song from a movie. I can't say it, otherwise that'll spoil the fun. For this next figure, we start off with a Scarecrow minifigure. This is mostly Lego Batman movie. The head is from a different Scarecrow variant. Anyway, you take Scarecrow's torso and legs to use for Mr. Froakie's outfit. Then, to finish it all off, you give him a Kermit the Frog head, maybe the scarf that Lucy has from Lego Movie 2, although I didn't try that, I kind of just thought of that now. Give him like a feather duster or something, like he's cleaning the monastery. And voila, a perfect Mr. Alfonso Froakie. For the final character I built, I did Frack. Apparently Lego's only ever released Frack in some like foil pack and in a Lego set. So we start with a pair of plain gray legs, then we have a Rebel torso from like a Rogue One set, two orange arms from a construction worker minifigure, and the gloves, I forget where I got those. Then for his head, this was a bit tricky, but if we use the head from this alien that Lego released in a collectible minifigure series, it sort of gives the appearance of sort of his hood, and the black thing could be like a mask or something. So I went with that design, because I knew that the orange of the arms would sort of counterbalance the green, and this is the closest thing I have. It's sort of supposed to be hooded Frack, because I don't own a 3D printer, or even a standard Viper head. Like, I don't have any Vipers, really. And give him the prismatic blade that I got from the Temple Bounty, and voila, it's perfect. This is it. 5 rare or unreleased Lego Ninjago characters, all before your eyes except for Hattie, but that's because I lost that when I filmed this. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'm Jace Brixmix. Please like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. If you're interested in more tutorials like this, I did do a Lego gaming characters video like a year ago. I'll link that down below.